Anything Mother Nature can throw at me, I can push it back. Love it.
Meet DOGG, a Massachusetts snowplow driver with a lot to say.
That was the favorite part of my day. The pissing people off day.
Is that DOGG? Is he filming while he drives? He's such a character.
As you can see, I pushed back over the road, baby. Oh, I'm sorry. Was you got on there?
That thick Boston accent, the nose piercings, the general bad attitude. I mean, come on. Am I the only one that's turned on right now?
You want to find your car? You gotta see me. I'll let you know where it is, baby. Watch this one.
Doc, don't plow my car in.
Now, you see it?
Don't plow my car in.
Oh, that's so notable. The roof of the car.
Don't.
Now you see it, now you know, mother.
Hey, speaking of plowing, say hi to your mother for me. His sister, too.
And if you're at your house nice and warm and toasty, have at it. But you ain't making the same dough as I'm doing.
I'm very disillusioned. I always thought municipal workers did it for love.
Just a little video for all you shut-ins. Show you how the dog does it.
Good thing he didn't post this video on the internet so his boss could see it.
DOGG posts his video on the internet.
Oh, he did.
And when city officials see it, he is fired immediately.
Love it.
Now he's available to plow the driveways of my enemies. Hey, dog, go get that bitch Shaniqua.
Merry Christmas, y'all. Happy New Year if I don't see you. Peace.